got some mega packs. I got Lightning Overdrive, Dawn of Majesty, Ancient Guardians. Let's go with Ancient Guardians first. Don't really know what to expect, so pleasant surprises. Reload. Holy moly. The king of poisonous snakes. Viper's Rebirth. Musica. Skullmeister. That's awesome. And Harmonia. Ooh. Second pack. Ancient Guardians. Damage. Reptile. Another poisonous snake. Call. Another Skullmeister. Another poisonous snake. Ayers Rock Sunrise. And Grand Chariot. Super cool looking card. Awesome. So that was it for Ancient Guardians. Now we are on to, let's do Dawn of Majesty. Magic Key World. Super cool. Viking Vortex. Branded Bond. Gusto. Gunkin Sunship Daily Special. Pretty cool. Let's get to our another Dawn of Majesty. Flying Red Carp. Dragon Shell. Glyph. Figures. Hailbringer Hog. Cool. Temple. Doombearer. Magic Key Sky Blaster. So cool. Cosmic Slicer. Okay, that was it for Dawn of Majesty. And we have two Lightning Overdrive. Let's kick it in Overdrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe to all my content. Otso Shidamashi. Starry Night Seal. Oh, here we go. Trap Tricks. Awesome card. ZS. Earth of Prominence Flame. 1x1. Springin's Booty. Cool. This is it, our last pack. Overdrive. S-Force Dog Tag. Starry Night, another one. DDD. Amazement Special Show. Sunvalion Melius. That's a really cool looking card. Judge of the Ice Barrier. Mother Spring's booty. And a Star Mine. Warrock Mahmood. Cool. Thank you. Call the Duelist. More is coming soon.